Hey there, awesome viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for navigating the business world. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of purchase order terms and conditions. I know, it may not sound like the most thrilling topic, but trust me, it's essential for your business success. So, grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's get started. When it comes to purchase order terms and conditions, there's a checklist of must-haves. Picture it like the ingredients to a delicious smoothie. You need the right balance to make it tasty. So, here's what you'll want to include. Start with a description of the goods or services you're purchasing. Let the seller know exactly what you're looking for. Next up, state the quantity of goods or services you want. You wouldn't order just half a pizza, right? Same goes for your business purchases. Don't forget to jot down the price. No surprises at the checkout, my friends. Be clear about what you're paying for. Payment terms. A crucial ingredient. Make sure you and the seller are on the same page regarding when and how payment will be made. Let's talk deadlines. Include the delivery date or timeline for your purchase. Remember, time is money, and nobody likes delays. Here's a biggie. What does the seller guarantee? Be sure to include any warranties or guarantees they provide. It's like an insurance policy for your purchase. Oh, and don't forget those legal notices. Include any required notices by law, like the right to cancel within a specific period. We don't want any surprises, do we? Here are a few more key ingredients for your purchase order terms and conditions. When it comes to resolving disputes, how about skipping the courtroom drama? Include a clause for arbitration. It's like having your own business referee. Now, let's talk about your relationship with the seller. Outline your rights and responsibilities for communication and dealings. It's all about keeping things crystal clear. We all make mistakes, right? That's why it's important to set some limitations. Outline the liabilities for both you and the seller. Safety first, my friends. Data ownership. In this digital age, data is gold. Make sure to clarify who owns the data collected during the purchase. It's your treasure map, after all. When and how will you take possession of the goods or services? Let's make sure it's a smooth transition. No fumbling the ball here. Indemnity to the rescue. Outline how the seller will protect you against any damages or losses caused by the purchase. It's like having a superhero by your side. The rights of both parties. It's important to outline the rights of both you and the seller if a dispute arises. Let's keep things fair and square. Last but not least, don't forget those miscellaneous clauses. Include any other necessary provisions to make sure both parties are happy and satisfied. And here's a nifty little clause, severability. Even if one provision is deemed invalid, the rest of the agreement remains intact. No need to throw the whole thing out. Contract termination, my friends. Life happens, circumstances change. Include a clause that allows either party to end the agreement under certain circumstances. Flexibility is key. See, my friend? Purchase order terms and conditions aren't as dull as they seem. So, there you have it, folks. Purchase order terms and conditions may seem like a bunch of legal jargon, but they're your secret weapon for a thriving business. Include all the necessary ingredients we've discussed today, and you'll be on your way to a fruitful and hassle-free buying experience. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below.